Hu pukana, kia ora whānau, nau mai hoki mai ki tēnei te karakia 2-for-1 special, karakia Wero, tua ngāhuru, karakia te kau, rite tonu. Whānau, welcome back to our final clip in this series, the Ranginui Series One of the Karakia 10-week Karakia Challenge. First of all, whānau, it's been a fabulous journey, and I must say, yes, sometimes it has been challenging, but that's the nature of a wero and of a challenge. So if you've made it this far, or even if you're jumping on here, that's tino pai too. Just have a look, have a nohi. You might want to join us at some other time, or start this at any time. Go back and start on an earlier karakia. That might be a bit easier. But today, this time, we're going to use this karakia to culminate all our work, bundle it all up, and finish it off. Hikitia te Wero, accept the challenge. Hikitia te Wero, karakia tua ngāhuru. I'm going to see you over on the Mahi Räkau. Kia ora koutou. Kia ora whānau, nau mai hoki mai. Here we go on our last karakia, karakia whakamutunga, karakia te kau, or karakia tua ngāhuru. I actually thought we were going to do another karakia, or I had a couple in mind, but then they slipped my mind, and they didn't come back, and I'm going, what's that about? And then I think it was decided for me that, no, we'll celebrate all the karakia that we did within the wero, make it into a karakia of our own, put a tail on it and call it a donkey, and why can't we make up our own karakia? Surely we can do that, can't we? Ka pai whānau. Hey, I'm just going to roll on to the next one, and we'll have a look there. There we go, that's a bit clearer. Let's go back and have a quick look about what they were all for. So yeah, wake that Hiningaroa, karakia tuatahi, what was that about, whānau? Yes, you're right, karakia tuatahi, it was new beginnings. He timatanga ho. Remember, any new beginnings, right from this moment forward, not only about creation, all beginnings, concepts, business, planning, health, commerce, industry, whatever. You might want to start from a beginning, a root, a base, and a foundation. Remember how it grew, and its cause set down its foundation, eh? And then it had rootlets and fibres, but then we translate that to networks, building networks. Awesome whānau, use that karakia how you see fit. I know our tipuna left it for us. Little blueprints for us to take into the future. Tuarua. That was our, yes, big shout out to the universe. Mihi ki te taiao. It was us paying homage and respect to all the gifts that are given to us. Kia hua te mākihikihi. That one narrative of the cicada, te mākihikihi, encompassing all of the environment and our natural world. Then I think as the first one actually looked at concepts, I think this is more about our humanistic aspects and how we stand in this universe. Kia toi te kupu, kia toi te mana, kia toi te whenua, and our contribution to it all. Honour, integrity, and ourselves, our friends, and our mahi. Yeah. Kia toi te hauora. Hey, yeah, and don't forget our health and well-being. And to give, to give thanks for that. Tuatoru. Welcome the fruits. It's dinner time. No mai e ngā hua. But not only to the food on the table, whānau, maybe, and all its contributive sources. Yeah, the fruit your eyes feast on when you go outside and look up at the beautiful ridgeline and the forestations and the vegetation. Nau mai e ngā hua o te wā o te ngākina, the beautifully prepared and cultivated gardens, even floral or food gardens. Hello to Tangaroa. Hey, te wai tai. Hello to our rivers, te wai Māori. Ka pai whānau, however you see fit, that's your intent. You put that in your karakia, you use it. Karakia tua whā. Yeah, I thought I knew something. Yeah, I know that one. Keep them all, yo. But now, ki te whai marama, and then ki te whai marama, tō mātauranga, mihi ki te mātauranga, the essence of consciousness levels. Te mauri a te mātauranga, nā te kukune te pupuke, And as it grew through its different phases, from its inception, conception, its infancy, and right up to your final knowledge, your understanding your knowledge, your mātauranga. Shout out to the mātauranga. Over here, everyone's favourite. That one kept everyone busy, but we learnt that there's so much learning in there as well. The Lord's Prayer, Karakia ki te atua. Whether some of us agree or disagree with some of these karakia and concepts, this is part of the world we're in. Whānau here in Aotearoa, Ahitereiria, Putanua ki te ao nui tonu, the whole universe. We got all sorts of things going on. We're sharing this planet with a whole lot of people in different beliefs. Mihi, karakia ki te atua. That was an awesome karakia. I actually enjoyed the whainga, the outcomes of that karakia. A lot to be had in there to help you with your writing as well. There's a lot in there, whānau. Karakia tua ono, whakataka te hau, acknowledging the wind, the patterns, different phenomenon when that wind meets that wind. Kia mā kina kina, then it causes cool breezes, inland, out. Awesome. Whakataka te hau. This one, tua whetu, acknowledging again, in another sense, the Māori atuatanga, mihi nui ki a io as a source, mi ana hanganga katoa, and all of creations. Ko tāne mahuta, ko tangaroa. Not only as gods per se, but because these things weren't made in a factory, they were atua kia mātou. They were not of this world. So it's acknowledging the source. Mihi nui ki a io. Ka pai whānau tino pai. This one, tua waru, honor and glory. He honore, he kororia. Perhaps the original concept is taken from a religious context or a Christian context, and goodwill to mankind. He whakaro pai ki ngā tangata katoa. In there, though, our tipuna have imbued our tikanga Māori too in these karakia. So we get the best of both worlds, whānau. This one here, tua iwa, kia hora te Marino. Hey, a call for calm, uplifting sentiments to yourself and your whānau after a journey, and from this point forward. Yeah, may your path glow and dance. May the light dance upon the path ahead of you. Yeah. Kapai, and this last one here, whānau, te karakia, te kau, or te karakia tua ngāhuru, accept the challenge. Hikitia te Wero. And that's what you have done here. If you've made it this far, or even if you've just jumped on board, well done, just for coming and having a nuhi. And this has been a little look-see, a look back through memory lane of our karakia Wero over the last 10 weeks. Whānau, I'll probably pause here. We'll finish off, and we'll do this karakia, and we'll wind up for now. For this round, Series 1, Ranginui. Hikitia te Wero. Accept the challenge. Ka pai whānau. So let's have a look at this last karakia here. Te karakia te kau, or te karakia tua ngāhuru. Accept the challenge. Do you? Yes, I accept the challenge. We did 10 weeks ago, whānau, or even if you've jumped on now, well done. Karakia number 10. Ka pai. Kua takoto te manuka o tēnei wero. It's a narrative, a way of our old people say, the challenge has been laid. Kua takoto te manuka. I take it that the manuka is a narrative or a figure of speech referring to the taiaha, the tepa, the patu, all our taonga that we would use to defend ourselves and to defend our pā and our whānau. Kua takoto te manuka. Ka pai, and then o tēnei wero of this challenge, or the last 10 weeks, ara, such as, or namely, ko te tuatahi. So we haven't got a word in Māori for hashtag, or we probably have actually, but anyway, we're going to go into the correlation of the numbers and the respective karakia. Ko te tuatahi, firstly, he timatanga hau, and so on and so forth, right to the end, whānau. Then it finishes with, yeah, sorry you can't see it, whano, haramai te toki. Whānau, whānau. It's like, you know, in another karakia we might have says, forever and ever, amen. But in this one we're saying, whānau, whānau. It means there is urgency, let's move along. Let's get moving. Whānau, whānau. Haramite toki. Bring down the ads. Come on, let's get this challenge on. Haumie, huie. Okay, whānau, here we go. Karakia tua ngāhuru. Accept the challenge. Hikitia te Wero. Join in, whānau. Kua takoto te manuka o tēnei Wero. Ara. Ko te tuatahi he timatanga hou. Ko te tuarua mihi ki te tai ao. Ko te tuatoru nau mai e ngā hua. Ko te tuawha te Māori a te mātauranga. Ko te tuarima karakia ki te atua. Ko te tua ono whakataka te hau. Ko te tua whitu mihi nui ki a io. Ko te tua waru. He honore, he kororia. Ko te tua iwa kia hora te Marino. Ko te tua ngahuru. Hikitia te Wero. Whānau, whānau. Haramite toki. Haumie, huie. Taikie. Ka pai whānau. Hey, that's it. You know, put your own rangi to it, or what you'll find is each karakia has its own Māori, so it'll find its own rhythm with you. But yeah, don't worry. I'd use it as a karakia. Like, remember, it's all about your intent. So yeah, kaue whakamā, mahi a te mahi. Use all these karakia how you see fit. They're your taonga now. Anyway, we're going to cross over now just to finish off, and we'll rock it out. Awesome, whānau. Kia ora, whānau. Hey, I remember it was quite a few weeks ago now, or well, over 10 weeks actually, yeah, 10 or 11 weeks when I thought I was going to get up and go to the gym. Remember that? Remember when I was going to go down and do a HIIT session and some fitness challenges? Yeah, and I chucked the towel in, and I thought, oh, let's try a karakia challenge instead. But no, I'd actually been doing Te Reo for some time, and it was the other way round. I needed to go and put the tihei back into my modi order, so I did that for a while, and then it's been a good journey over the last 10 weeks, getting back into the reo and starting with these karakia. So it's been awesome, but my butt has been sitting around doing this for a while, and it's time, I think, to get back and have a look at our taha, tinana, hinengara, wairua, whānau, social, emotional well-being, and get out there and then rock it out a bit more with the taha tinana. But in the meantime, whānau, it's been awesome. Look out for another challenge coming up, and all our challenges ahead of us. Kia hora te Marino, let there be widespread calm. But in the meantime, we'll finish off with this. Hope you've had fun. I've had so much good feedback from you all. I appreciate it. Mihi nui kia koutou. And how hard can you hit? Hit those karakia. Let's go. Rock it out.
It's about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit. And keep moving forward. How long does it take? And keep moving forward. Until you start believing yourself.
Yeah.
You're going to have a life.
From the hills of Kiimai.
If you play this 3 times, whānau, do the English at the top first, Māori along the bottom, and then follow the numbers on the last one. But let's just enjoy it for now, whānau. It's been a fabulous journey. 10 rounds with the whānau. Yeah. Haha. Shot, whānau. Man, where's my gym gear? Woo-hoo. Looking forward to rocking it out there. No excuses. Mauri ora whānau. Mā te wā.